Very kind to the people of the state. If there seems to be a problem between the legislature and the governor, and as a father, he didn't have to intervene. I remember this is the second time Mr. President has intervened. I believe, by the grace of God, this will be the last time. I believe that the Assembly have told them to do this, to obey Mr. President, which I know they will not hesitate. And I also believe that the governor will carry out his own part to make sure that this is the final time Rivers people will be to hear this kind of discord. So that's it.
That's all.
Thank you very much.
This one off mic. And other roads that are connected. Totally about 6 kilometers of roads here. Okay, we don't find there.
Can you
We have to look for good position.